Here we have an Etchgrip anti-slip treatment DIY kit. The kit contains respirator, goggles, gloves and necessary chemicals. These chemicals consist of degreaser, activator, neutraliser, together with an instruction booklet. Add 4 capfuls of degreaser to hot water. Mop the floor area with the degreaser. Fill the mop bucket with warm water. Completely rinse mop the floor area. Now fill up a garden sprayer with the Etchgrip activator. Spray the activator evenly over the floor area. Agitate using a hard bristled deck brush. Leave area for recommended treatment time. Fill the sprayer with the Etchgrip neutraliser. Apply the Etchgrip neutraliser evenly over the floor area. Use the mop and wringer to remove the solution from the floor, then rinse.